This is a great day of celebration and reverence on which we come together to recognize and commemorate the sacred love and dedication of shared between these two amazing people.
Hand it back.
I got your bachi.
Hi. You can talk to me.
Oh, yeah? As Corinthians reminds us, love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it is not rude, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, and always perseveres. Love never fails.
Dear Ari, I know our journey has been long. I know we have a lot of adventures that we have gone through, and we're gonna keep having more adventures. So I'm excited for the next step for us. I love you very much.
Sobrino, you may now kiss the bride, forever sealing your union.
We're doing it.
We're doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy day.
Happy day.